what I will show you now is a new feature.
Okay.
And this one is very exciting. With this new feature, it's like I said, it's to fly in the property. And correct me if I'm wrong, but when you show a property, a video is to help the person to understand how the property is organized.
Yeah.
That's something you can do with pictures.
No.
With pictures, you see the highlights of the property,
Yeah.
but you don't know how they are connected together, right?
Yeah.
And that's something that with this feature, as we are going to go inside and outside of the different places, the person is going to understand how it's really organized.
Okay.
So this time we're going to shoot again, but it's going to be one shot. I will just use for this shooting just video and wide angle to have the 0.5, okay. Just to make sure we have the full space, right? 3, 2, 1, go! And I'm going to go to speed ramping this time. I'm going to import this one. Okay, and how I finished, yeah, it was good. Okay, done. So now it's getting ready. Basically what's going to happen, we are going, with the finger, we are going to apply when we want the video to speed up and when we want it to slow down. Okay. So of course we want to speed up between the rooms, but when we enter a room, we want to slow down and again and accelerate.
So it will overlap, like speed and slow.
Exactly, both. Yeah.
With only one shot.
Yes. So you see now it's ready. If I click here, it changed to 6 times, but it's very fast. So first, you want to feel comfortable. So we start with 4. And now, so I'm going to apply like this.
Oh, nice.
So I was too fast, so we will do it again. We have to go down. So here, we're going to fast. We go inside.
I like it very much.
It's cool, right? It's perfect. Just you apply like this, then you go out. And then you finish. And now it's applying what I just asked. It's just like, okay, you want to speed up, reduce here. So now it's applying the speed effect on the video. So what's very important for this shot, every time you enter a room, then you come back like this. Every time you go inside a room, you just come back. So okay. It's a little bit tricky because you have to walk back. But if we're inside and we turn like this inside, you know, just I did it, you know? So it's the only thing you have to respect is, and you don't need to go too much inside the room, right? So you just always remember, this is like turning point. I come back here like a boomerang, and then I go another direction, I stop, and so on. And that's it. And this is where you are going to make the speed. When I'm here, I reduce here, I accelerate between, right? And that's as simple as that. So this time you're going to try to apply the speed yourself. It's a little bit tricky at the beginning, but it's your turn. Nice, you got it.
No.
It's okay, don't worry. Yes. Yes.
Let's move fast. Yeah, we have to do faster there because we can
Yes.
see you.
Yes. Nice. Wow. Perfect. Wow, actually it's nice as well, and then the flying. Wow.
And then the view.
Perfect.
Oh, it's great. Congrats, because it's a really, 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 really nice redo, right?
Yeah, that we can.